make paper omelette. 3 A4 sheets, scissors, compass, glue, pencil, thread, beads, cardboard circle. Now we will cut the A4 sheets into triangles 6 by 6. Now we will cut the circles on the A4 sheet. Now we will make cones of the circles we cut. Put the cones and beads on the thread in a sequence. Put the glue inside the cones. Now we fold the sheet and cut into flowers. Now we arrange these threads and flowers on the cardboard circle. Our paper omelette is ready. This is how we make a paper omelette. Did you like this video? Kindly like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.